Guys, welcome back to my page. Today we are making Nigeria delicious stew. So join me guys, let's make the stew together. First of all, we add our oil, olive, and I'm going to allow it to warm a little bit before I put my salt inside. Then we put our onions. Then we turn our onions. Maybe 1 minute before I go add my tomatoes. Guys, the way to the hungry now, so I want to cook this stew. So now I'm going to be adding my tomatoes, boiling tomatoes. Woo! Guys, I don't want my cloth to stay. Let's add our Maggi, and I'm going to be adding my fresh meat, egg and ishaki. Let's also add our chicken. I'm going to be adding this later. Let's turn our stew, and I'm going to be adding my curry powder. This will be going with rice. It can go with yam as well. It can go with fufu. It can go with anything you call on, guys. So let's cover it. I'm going to be cooking it for seven minutes because it's already boiled before. So I'm not going to be cooking it so much. I'm going to cover it, let it cook for 7 minutes. See you guys later. Okay guys, now I can add my macrofish. I take some of the stew out because my kids don't want fish for their own, so I take their own out. And here we are. Guys, let's see if our stew is ready. Let us have a taste. And this is why I like macrofish, you know, when you are cooking stew. When you have that macrofish, it gives you that taste, that taste you really want, and you will get it like Nigerian one, like Nigeria stew. Anytime I make stew like this or soup, it gives me joy. It gives me joy because this macrofish, you just put it in the oven, roast it, just pieces it the way you want it. For me, I like to pieces it and add it in my food. Guys, here we are guys, our stew is ready, and don't forget to like and share this video. See you in my next video. Until I come your way next time. Love you guys.